Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to unbox the Detroit Radiant DSCS high intensity gas patio heater. The first thing you'll want to do is to confirm that you received what you ordered. That can be done by looking at the side of the box and consulting the label. You'll want to take a picture of that label for your own records. The next step will be to check for damage. Make sure there's no obvious holes or large dents in the packaging. If there are, please give us a call right away. The next step will be to unbox the product. Inside the box, you'll find the heater, installation material. That is everything you need to know when unboxing the Detroit Radiant DSCS high intensity gas patio heater. If you would like to learn how to install this product, please click the link in the description below. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.